If you are spending a lot of money every month for managing a web server, this is the perfect place you have landed. Hello everyone, welcome to how to manage your own VPS and create websites. I am Rifin and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a web developer and server admin by profession. I got my first VPS at the age of 12 and that's where I got the interest in web servers. I have made this course with easy to follow lectures. Taking this course will teach you to manage your own VPS by yourself. By the end of this course, you will be able to buy, configure and use the VPS on your own. You will also be able to install a control panel in your server and add websites. I will also show you how you can get an SSL certificate and install it in your site for security. You will also learn to use FTP and install WordPress in your domain. All the lectures are related to another, so make sure to check all of them. So, let's not waste time anymore. See you in the course.